I've arrived at the airport. Let me check the flight time first. I still have a little time before I need to check in. Maybe I'll have time to grab a drink before heading to the check-in counter.
Hello, welcome. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today?
Yes, just this bag.
All set. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight departs at 10:30 a.m. from gate 15.
Thank you so much. Now that I've checked in, I think I'll look around the shops for a bit. Maybe I'll grab a snack or find a good book for the flight. It's nice to have some time to relax before boarding. Let's see if there's anything interesting here.
Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Of course. Here you go.
You're all set. The gate is straight ahead. Boarding will start in about 20 minutes.
Thank you very much. Perfect timing. I'll reach the gate with a few minutes to relax before boarding. Finally, on board. It's nice to sit back and relax. I can't wait to get to my destination.
Good afternoon. Would you like a beverage to start with?
Yes, please. Could I have some water?
Certainly, I'll bring it right over.
This is it. Time to unwind and enjoy the flight.